Alrighty, what's going on today, y'all? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the HOSA MHE 110 3.5mm TRS to 3.5mm TRS cord. This is basically an extension cable. So the reason why I got this is actually I was in the process of setting up a little home studio here, and this is just for when I'm not at work, I'm not at the studio, so I can basically run my headphones from the little booth that I built out and across the room into the interface. Basically the headphone cable was not long enough, and so I needed something where I could plug it in and then route it over there, you know, and have it rest comfortably. And that's basically, you know, what this thing does. It is 10 feet long, and so it's essentially made to extend the reach of, you know, certain hardwired headphones with the mini stereo plug. So you have your headphones, and those could be sitting in your booth, let's say. You plug them into here, and then it runs that signal through the entirety of this 10-foot cable out into here, and this can go into your interface or whatever you're using to send your signal out of your computer. So these are great. I've always trusted HOSA. They make really good, great quality sound products, and you know, this is just one of them. There are nickel-plated contacts on the ends. These basically help to retain really good sound. The signal transfer on here is excellent. I actually did a test just between having my headphones and then having those plugged in straight to the interface, and then having this with the head in between the headphones and the interface. And honestly, both of them sounded really great. I honestly could not tell the difference whatsoever. So that's, you know, that says something, especially if you're trying to do some serious monitoring. This can really help in that way. They connect really well too. That's one thing I love about this. I mean, some of these little TRS connectors, they never feel like they're going in the right way. Sometimes you really have to push or shove them to get them inside, and it's really tough. Feels like you're gonna like break something, or it feels loose and it doesn't feel like they're going in correctly. What I love about these is that they grip on the inside really well. It's the perfect size on both sides for the in and the out. And so it's cool that they were, I guess, paid attention to that. I feel like most companies should, and they did, so it's awesome. The cord is made with OFC, basically that's oxygen-free copper conductors. They basically enhance the signal clarity. If you know anything about cables, musical cables, cords, things like that, they're practically OFCs in all kinds of musical products. If you don't have OFC in your cable, it's probably not that great of a cable, to be honest with you. You know, it's just one of those things where it's become almost standard in sound. So you'd be happy to know that this does come with it. It also comes with a spiral shield that's on the inside. Essentially what that's going to do is going to reject EMI and RFI signals, so you'll never find yourself picking up any sort of rogue radio signals with this cord. And that's really nice, because you don't want that, especially, again, if you're doing some serious monitoring. Lots of really cheap guitar cables, if you run them for a long time, you can find that they pick up radio signals. You'll all of a sudden hear a talk show coming out of your amp, and it's like, what is happening here? With this, that doesn't happen because of that rejection. Also, having that spiral shield makes this thing very flexible. Although, that being said, you do need to be pretty careful with it, because it can kink up a bit, as you can see. And so you really need to make sure that you are, you know, cabling this up correctly in a way where you're not going to disrupt kind of the flow of the whole cable. So always make sure to, you know, do the back and forth wind. If you've ever wrapped a cable properly, you know what I'm talking about. Obviously, this one has been through quite a bit, but that's one thing to really keep in mind with this. So again, if you're looking to extend any kind of 3.5mm cables for, you know, monitoring or whatever your use for it is, I would highly recommend getting this one. It's the HOSA MHE 110 3.5mm TRS to 3.5mm TRS cable, and yeah, check it out. Take it easy, you guys.